Shockproof hard disk box of single disk aluminum alloy door group. Design with safety lock to protect the safety of hard disk data. Tool-free installation. It is equipped with a power line with a smooth P and a signal line. The installation is complete.